you guys. Ano po favorite number niyo sa electric fan? Diyos ko, depende yan sa init ng panahon or sa lamig ng panahon. Pag malamig, 0 or 1 lang. Hello Pulods, hi 15B. Kapag mainit, number 3. Tapos nakabukas ang window. Kapag saktong init lang, number 1. Kita ko yung Team Elsa 5 dyan, grabe. Oh, thank you po sa heart, Team B. Thank you. Alam nyo ba, guys? Grabe ka mang gulat na yan. Gulat ako niyo sa Bat Radiant. Tapos pag-open ko, IG, may MN48 na official. Hello po, Eliza. Thank you. Thank you sa 6 roses, Cuddle Bear. Kaka-live mo lang. Opo. Mga, di ko alam. Parang 5 minutes pa lang yata. Thank you po sa Rose Mat. Thank you. Grabe. Nakikita ko yung mga nag-share ng mga, under my tags. Yung mga dati kong supporters na sana hanggang ngayon supporter ko pa rin sila. Na nagpo-post sila ng about, anong tawag dito, yung mga old days ko when I was in the local idol scene. And it was really fun seeing na how far I've come. Ito, naiiyak na ng joke. Hindi ako iyak. No iyak. Thank you, Daniel, for the rose. Thank you. You say it Daniel or Daniel? Because, yeah. New follower here at New MN Loves. Hello, Rain. Welcome po. And congrats on becoming a new MN Love. Baka gusto mo po maging penguinatic. Sana may mag-up ng Showtime audition mo. Hala guys, feeling ko, alam nyo ba, wala lang. The other day, sinearch ko yun. Kasi, wala lang, para may ma-share lang ako sa inyo. Sinearch ko yun, like yung top 200 thing. Parang wala na siya. Parang wala na siya dun sa YouTube ng, ng ST. What's the name of the fandom? Penguinatics. Our official fandom name is Penguinatics, but I saw that someone made a fan club na, and you guys are called Renaissance. Pero, ayun. I don't know. Sige, mag-boxing na lang kayo lahat kung ano yung official. Pero meron na kasing page na they made, they made Renaissance na. So, magsuntukan na lang kayo lahat kung Penguinatics Renaissance or kung ano. Ganon kayo. Joke. I don't condone violence. That was purely a joke. For legal purposes, that was a joke. Hello po, it's a me, Jam. Hi. Hello, Nesnif. Hello. Ayan, na naman kayo eh, tamo. Ayan, Renegade. Thank you, Nesnif, for the heart, too. I'm gonna stream today, yeah. Why not? Para makasama ko kayo longer. A penguin in the Renaissance era. Oh, thank you for the bear. Ang cute naman nun. Thank you for the bear. Thank you. Awitin ng fans. I mean, nakita mo nga, nila. Ano yun? Ang tawag dito? Sinasuggest nga nila, Renegades. Kakais. Hello, Champorado with the egg. Dang. Thank you for following Champorado with egg. Thank you po sa Wizard Hat, Sandy. Thank you. Realist. Thank you po sa heart, Kuya Rain. Thank you. Parang pag sa phone, di ako masyadong naglalag. Oh, thank you for the bear, Mulligan or Arman. Thank you, thank you. Yay! Ano bang... Oh, thank you, Daniel, for I love you. Realist. Ano pa ba ang ating magagawa? Ano to? Ano po plan for this stream? Yapping. We yapping. Ay, yung Renaissance. Oo nga, waitin ng Renaissance eh. Yung ano kasi, gusto ko sana homage to my old idol days. Parang kailan lang, tas bukas Friday na. Oo nga pala. Oo nga eh. Thank you. Thank you for the rosa. Thank you for the rosa. Okay, gonna have you in the background while doing work. Ayan. Hello again. Wave, wave. Feather Night Revival? No. I'm gonna keep that for... I'm gonna leave that to Sai. I'm gonna leave Feather Nights to Sai. But I just wanted to make an homage to my old... Yeah, to my old name. So it was either Penguins or Penguinatics. And kayo talaga, trip na trip. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you for half of the live goal. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, love you. Bakit ang kinis ng balat mo this time, Renee? Ano? Kasi kakaayos ko lang. Kanina. Kakayas ko lang kanina. And, I bought a new moisturizer. So, baka hiyang sa akin yung moisturizer na to. Thank you po. Thank you for the roses again, Daniel. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 10 roses. Uy! Hi, Ate Yana. Hi, Ate Yana. Kumain ka na po, ate. Hehe. Skincare, I use a foaming face wash. Tapos, alam niyo yung kapag pinisil niyo siya and mapupunta siya sa hand niyo, di ba? For it to become foaming, lalagyan niyo lang siya ng very onting tubig. Like, kunwari, pea-sized yung nilagay niyong, parang ganitong size lang yung nilagay niyong amount ng foaming chineme. Like, ganyan lang yung size niya. Ganon din karaming water. And then, you rub your hands together to make the foamies. And then, you wash your face with it. And then, you wash it off. And then, after you dry your face, after washing it off, I use toner. Thank you, Pat. Thank you. So, you use toner afterwards. Ako, I use a hydrating toner. I have combination skin. So, that's important, guys. If you're looking to level up your skincare game, whether you're a girl, you're a boy, whether you're non-binary, non-conforming to any gender standards or any of that, you should know your skin type. So, para makukuha mo yung mga hiyang na products for you. And when I say hiyang, like products that work well with your skin. So, ayan, I use a hydrating toner for the areas because I do have combination skin. So, some of my skin is dry, some of it is oily, like my T-zone, like here. Dito ako nag-oil up. And then, you use a moisturizer afterwards. And then, that's usually it for me. Tapos kapag hapon or umaga ka nag-skincare, I usually follow it up with a sunblock. Pero lightweight lang. There's 2 different types of sunblock, pero I'll let you guys do your research. Pero if you guys want me to explain the difference between the two, sabihan niyo lang ako. Yay! Wow! Ano yung flash goal? What is this flash goal? What is this? Ano yan? What that? Oh, ay di, sige. Sabi ni TikTok. Ayan. Go lang, we love the Yap Sesh. Okay. So, there's two types of, ayan guys, si TikTok ay nagpapa-challenge sa akin na send 6 hearts daw. Emmy. Thank you, Yumi. I love you so much too. Oh, yun. Wow. Hello, Neo Koroshi. Hello. Ayun. So, there's two types of, there's two types of sunscreens. Kakagising mo lang. Good morning. There's two types of sunscreens. There's physical ones, I think. Physical and chemical sunscreens. I forgot kung ano yung difference nila. Pero yung isa, it has I forgot, pero may specific ingredient siya na parang it acts as like a physical barrier on your face. Parang talagang i-guard niya yung face mo from UV rays and everything. Wink, wink. Wink, wink, Yumi. Ayun. Mostly, parang halos ganun lang yung difference. Pero sige, search natin kung gusto niyo. Woo, dumilim ang mundo. Sorry, I'm in front of my PC para sa inyo. Chemical versus physical sunscreen. Ayun. Ano po fandom name? Meron na kasing gumawa ng fan page na Renaissance. Tapos, naglalaban ang penguins and penguinatics. Kaya sabi ko, magsuntukan na silang silang lahat ko ano ba yung totoo. Hello, Steve na. Steve ni. Hello po. Ayun, ito daw, sabi ni Gemini. Tama, diba? Gemini yung ni Google. Ayan. So, sabi nila, physical or mineral sunscreens create a barrier on the skin's surface that reflects UV rays, while chemical sunscreens absorb UV rays and convert them into heat. Physical sunscreens are often recommended for sensitive skin because they're gentler, while chemical sunscreens can be lighter in texture and easier to rub in without leaving a white cast. So, pag white cast, yun yung pumuputi yung face nyo. Yun yung parang tone up chineme. Pero hindi siya talaga tone up. Mukha lang talagang puti. Ganun. The best choice depends on individual preferences and skin type, as both types provide effective sun protection when used consistently. Yeah. Ayun. So, yung key ingredients pala. Thank you for the roses, Arman. Thank you. Ayun. So, some of the key ingredients for a physical sunscreen is it has zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So, yun yung nagre-reflect ng UV rays. Yung chong, ganon. Tapos, kapag chemical sunscreen naman, ingredients like octinoxate, and avobenzone. Real. I've never heard of these ingredients before. Homosalate ba? Homosalati? How do you say this? How to pronounce to? Tanong natin si Google. Hanap tayo. How do you say this word? To. Ansab.
Homosalate.
Homosalate nga siya. Homosalate. Yun. Thank you to ice cream. Thank you. Love you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys. Ayan na. Kikita ko nagta-tap-tap na. Tap-tap, guys. Ganun. Tap, 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 tap. Funny. Tapos, kahapon pala, kaya wala akong masyadong post is because lumabas ako kahapon. I went out. Kumain ako. Outside. Tapos, gala lang ako konti. Pumunta ako sa mga stores, tapos, naghanap lang din ako ng moisturizer kasi yun yung reason kung ba't ako lumabas talaga. Kaya ako lumabas is because I was looking for a new moisturizer and it works like a charm. Like, pinatry siya sa akin sa mall and then it was great. Ay, sorry na po, Jungkook Jun. Mahina lang po yung mic ko kasi mahina lang yata ako magsalita. Pero, ayan. Maghahanap po ako ng stand para sa'yo. Jungkook. Alam ba't may ipis? Pangalan mo pala yun. Pangalan mo pala yun. Gulat ako may ipis sa screen. Grabe, natakot ako dun. Yan. Okay. Oo nga, gulat ako may ipis. May ipis, natakot ako dun. Yay. No. Shiro. So anyways, may binili pa akong isa, guys. Sa supermart. Kasi, parang sabi ko, sumasakit yung ulo ko. Almost daily po lives. Almost, yeah. I will be streaming for a while. Almost every day. Don't worry about it. So, if may na-miss kayo from a live like yesterday or from last night, parang ganun, don't worry. I'll be live naman for a long while. Almost every day. As long as I don't have anything to do. Bye-bye, Daniel. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. Ayun. So anyways, what I was talking about is I bought this. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Do you guys know what this is? Ramune. Bumili ako ng ramune. Sorry. Yum. Ramune. It's a soda, guys. It's a soda. It's a Japanese soda. Alam niyo yung may marble? Yeah, may marble to. Nandito siya sa taas. Hindi ko siya na-ref, sadly. Nasa bag ko lang siya nung pag-uwi ko. Hindi ko nalagay sa ref. So, baka mamaya kumuha ako ng baso na may ice. Tas, lalagay natin to. When I was in Australia, kumain kami parang Japanese restaurant. And usually, ang kinakain ko talaga whenever we go to a Japanese restaurant is curry. Talagang curry ang aking go-to, guys. Curry katsu. Ayun. Hello po, Elise without E sa dulo. Oo nga, guys. It's E-L-Y-S. There's no E at the end. Sa harap lang. E-L-Y-S. Elise. That's it. Hi. Hello. Thank you sa Wizard Hat Neznim. Hi. Ouch. Hello, Kuya RT. Kasi sabi mo Renee. Kuya RT. Ano ganap nyo ngayong live? Makikipagdaldalan lang ako sa inyo. Yung karaoke, kung gusto nyo ako mag-karaoke, baka mamayang gabi na. Cause I'm on the phone. And, I don't know. Pwede naman, kahit dito lang ako mag-karaoke. Kaso nga lang, a cappella lang. May sinend si Penguinatics din. Hi! Hello. Gamer ka. Yeah. Night stream confirmed. Pwede. Pero dipindi. I'll try. I'll announce later. Pero if ever, siguro oo. Like, maybe... Wait lang. Nag-apply ulit. Straight hanggang night. Hala, di nyo na ako pinakain. Di nyo na ako pinakain, guys. No! May goal ba for the acapella? Wala naman. Ano lang, pag napagtripan ko lang. But usually when I go live at night, it's usually like at 8. What time nyo ba ako gusto mag-live at night? Kasi, I don't know, maybe some of you want me, like 1 a.m. Tiyeme, ganun. Thank you, Scarecrow. Thank you po. 7 p.m. onwards. Okay, I'll take that into account. Well, usually naman, I go live at 8. Ito sinend sa akin ni Penguinatic. Saan? Alin? Saan? Hindi ko nakikita. Ano yan? Nasa phone ako, guys. Ay, yung DP mo. Hindi mo makita. Liit. Cute naman. I think. Yan yung kabesya ko, di ba? Kabesya ko naman yun, di ba? Ayun. Share ko lang pala, guys. Anong tawag dito? I don't know if it's relevant. Pero parang di naman yata. Pero share ko lang. I feel like I sprained my ankle. Like, a day or two before the concert. Like, as in, ang sakit ng ankle ko. Like, my right ankle. It hurt a lot. So, I was like, doing my best. Sinestretch ko siya. Like, kunwari, this is like my foot. Right? Ginaganon ko siya. Fineflex ko siya. Like that. Kasi, sabi ko, kailangan mabigay ko yung best ko sa inyo eh. Debut ko pa naman yun. Syempre, di ako pwedeng lalamya-lamya. And, ayun. I think I sprained my ankle. Not gonna lie. Because it hurt a lot. And then, yeah. I think that, it's my fault naman na nasikipan ko yung boots masyado. Na-excite kasi ako, ginanon ko. Sabi ko, hala, ito na, malapit na. Ayun. Yeah. Basically yun. Sa mga kwento. What else can I talk about? May questions ba kayo? Doesn't matter kung tungkol saan. Cause I can yap about a lot of things. Don't worry, guys. Hindi naman ako nauubusan ng yap. Except pag inaantok na ako. Pag inantok na ako, yun na. Wala na, guys. Hindi nyo na ako makakusap. Pero na magtagalog si Sakura, onti lang po. Ate Sakura and Ate Mirai are fluent in English. But sometimes they talk to me in Japanese because I can understand very, very little. I can understand little. Skoshi. Close this level with Ate Mirai and Ate Sakura. I would say na me and Ate Sakura, I often approach her more when we explain, like, ang tawag dito? When I explain things. Ay, hello po, Miss Abby. Hello po. Ayun. I think me and Ate Sakura talked a lot about our choreography. Hello? What is that? What is that? May tumunog. What is that? Why? Anyways, yeah. Me and Ate Sakura talked a lot about like the choreography and all of that. Tapos, me and Ate Mirai, we chatted a lot about other J-pop idols because Ate Mirai is also a idol otaku. So, we talked a lot about other J-pop idols, like our favorite J-pop idols like Choto Kimeki Sendenbu. We also like Ikurabu. We also like nakikinig ka sa Curious Te. Yes. Ang oshi ko sa Curious Te, yung red member. Meron din akong gustong isang idol group, pero I don't think they're that famous in the Philippines. Thank you. Yeah. Ayun. Ano pa ba? Ako kasi guys, in terms of J-pop, I like the groups who are what's this called? I like groups from Kawaii Lab a lot. Thanks for sharing. Interesting rin since their first pure Japanese MNL48 members. Yeah, actually, it's very refreshing then because we also get to exercise, speaking in English, like especially for all of us, because I think it's important that all of the members know how to express themselves in English so that other international fans can also understand us and relate to us. And I think it's a good exercise, and it's great for me kasi English era ako. Basic sa'yo. The group Scandal. Yes po. If I remember correctly, they did have a concert here maybe a few years ago. I'm not that familiar with their music, but I have heard of them. Yeah. Usually, kasi kapag J-rock bands, guys, I only know the ones who have sung like mga openings, endings ng mga anime, usually. Like, pwede na tumulo dugo sa ilang ko. Gayahin niya na lang yung caption ni Sarina pag yung caption ni Sarina kapag nagla-live siya. Loha ko, tomolo. Favorite anime that's currently ongoing? Are you referring to the manga or anime as in ongoing animation? Kasi, yan. Hello! Novanya Machino. Hello po, Russell. What are you doing? I don't know. Hindi ko din po alam. Both na? Okay. So, I suggest, kasi guys, shout out po sa mga taga Bulacan dyan. Hi, James. Hello. So, anyways, siguro an anime or a manga that I would recommend for you guys. There's two. There's two that I currently am reading that I do love. And just so you guys know, one of my favorite genres is shonen because I grew up watching a lot of shonen anime. Specifically, Naruto, One Piece, Bleach. Pero hindi ko na subaybayan yung Bleach masyado. So, yeah. So one of my favorite genres is shonen, and these two I believe are shonen animes or shonen mangas. So the first one is Phantom Busters. The first one is Phantom Busters. And it's great. It's about four high school kids who go ghost hunting. Parang ganun. Parang ano naman siya. Hindi naman ghost hunting talaga, but rather, it's like Jujutsu Kaisen na they exorcise spirits. Except sa Jujutsu Kaisen kasi curses or like the spirits are more manifestations of negative emotions and all that. Whereas yung spirits dito sa Phantom Busters, it's actual like ghosts and spirits, mga yokai, ganon. And then Gokurakugai, which is basically also the same kind of concept na parang they exterminate threats or something. I'm not really sure. I haven't gotten that far yet sa Gokurakugai, but I do love the art style so much. Like, it's so good. It's so good. And then, yung aking favorite part about Gokurakugai is there is a character named Nei, N-E-I. So, Nei is actually my nickname. So, it's my childhood nickname. So, yun yung tawag sa akin ng family ko. It's N-E-I, Nei. Nei. Ganon. Or kaya yung mom ko, Bunini. Parang ganon. Yeah. So, yun. Phantom Busters is great as well. And I suggest that you guys give both of the mangakas a follow. So, that's Gokurakugai and Phantom Busters. So, those are my current favorite mangas that are ongoing. And then, for anime, ongoing, siguro ang huli ko napanood is The Summer Hikaru Died. And it's great. I like it. Is it horror? Thriller? Hindi ko sure kung ano yung genre niya eh. Pero parang thriller, horror, something, chineme siya. But, yeah. Thank you po. Ay! Thank you! Thank you, ate. Hala, nandito si ate. Hala, thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. More success to Mewtwo. Emmy. Gatyakuta, did you read it? Not yet po. Sorry. Hello, Zax. Sino po kami Oshi mo po sa MNL48 po? Ang dami laging nagtatanong. Ang dami talaga nagtatanong kung sino ang aking kami Oshi. Pero guys, ano ako? Daredemo suki. Kasi lahat sila talagang may unique charm and beauty na talagang each and every one of them has great. Ayan. Oo nga eh. Okay lang yan. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Dare or challenges. Do you mean like truth or dare? Thank you pala sa Roses, Zax. Sorry, I didn't get to mention it kanina. Dr. Stone, I have not watched nor read Dr. Stone. Yet, ang ano kasi sa akin, the quirky thing about me is, I don't read or watch manga sa, like yung mga sikat na manga or sikat na animes, like when they're still being hyped about. Wala lang, kasi, ewan ko. I'm just weird like that, I guess. Nakita mo na yung wiki page mo sa 48+. I think so, oo. Yata. Nakita ko na yata. Rowan G, are you talking about horror stuff kanina? Do you have like recommendations? Is this for anime or in general? Kasi kung in general, guys, I really want to watch Exit 8. Kung alam niyo yung Exit 8. It's good. And then, there's another movie that I like, but I haven't watched it. Pinanood ko lang yung parang recount ng mga sa Macabre. Macabre. Oh, thank you po, Amus Finger Heart. Thank you. Ano hana? Paano ba na Promise Neverland? Di pa. Kayo manggiba ang iyong buhok. Opo. Ayun. The Substance is a great movie. Yeah. Pag Macabre ba, is it like Hereditary or ano yung isa? Midsummer? Parang ganun ba? Pero ako kasi I like psychological horror. Thank you, Forgetful. I hope that you don't forget me kahit na forgetful ka. But yeah, psychological horror is one of the horror genres that I like the most. Kasi dun ka mapapaisip eh. Pag ano kasi, Get Out, yung ano lang, parang yung count. Ganun. Yung kill count, ganun. Parang ganun. Ayun. What else can I talk about? Bring Her Back. I think I've heard of that. Nagtataka ka ba bakit naka-bulletproof suit yung penguin mo? Is that in reference to Valorant? Uy! Yun! Sabi ko na. Ang cute ng penguin. Can you add a ribbon to him or to her? Pero ako guys, personally, I would like my penguin mascot to be a boy. Para same sila ni Tuxedo Sam. Tuxedo Sam is my favorite Sanrio character, guys. If you guys didn't know. He's also a penguin. He has a sailor cap. And he has a little bow tie. I have a plushie of him over there. Pwede ko namang kunin. Kung gusto niyo makita. Kukunin ko. Sige, kukunin ko. Wala na kayo magagawa kung gusto ko kunin. Wait lang. Kunin ko lang. Ay, gulo. Tadyan! Ito siya! Di ba ang cutie niya? Cutie niya. Tuxedo Sam. This is Tuxedo Sam, guys. It's one of my favorite plushies sa bahay. Whenever I go to conventions, gusto kong dumadaan dun sa isang booth that they sell not legitimate, but like authentic or like direct from Japan na mga plushies. Ang problem lang kasi is mahal. Medyo mahal siya kasi nga direct from Japan. Sama nabili tong manika sa parang convention po. Mga anime or cosplay conventions. Actually, para siyang Batman, haha. Hindi ko magawa yung animation kasi wala character sila Mirai. Is that the same shop na nagbebenta ng Jirai shoes? Hindi ate. It's, yung isa pa. Puro plushie siya. Or yung mga parang goods na, yung mga stuff. Kineso. Ganun. Marami pa akong Tuxedo Sam, guys. Hindi lang ito. This is from one of my dear friends. Nagpunta siya ng Japan. And they bought this for me. He bought this for me. Shout out sa'yo. Aking, yung secretary ng Japanese org namin. Yeah. Isa-isa niya kaming binila ng mga ganito. Like, that guy is very mabait sa aming lahat. Shout out sa'yo. Andito ba si, andito ba yung isa kong Chopa Babes? Wala. Tadya! To, dalawa sila, oh. Tapos meron din ako yung sa McDo. Yung... Forgot. Hindi ko alam kung anong collab yun eh. Digimon ba yun? Digimon ba to? Ari ko. Ito. Ay, Yu-Gi-Oh pala. Yu-Gi-Oh. Ito. Tadya. Ang dami kong Sam, guys. Ang dami kong penguins. Ito pa. Ito. Tada! Ito yung default ni Tuxedo Sam, guys. He looks like this on a daily basis. It's very cutie. Diyan. Ayan. Tapos ito. Ayan. Bisalog ka po, ni po. I don't know how to speak Bisaya. Tagalog lang. Filipino lang po. Ayan. Penguin reminds me of the issue from Hashira Penguin. Oh, may moderator ka na, Penguin. Wala po. Japalog, hindi din po. Japek po. Alam nyo ba guys, sabi talaga sa akin ni Sarina, sure ka, hindi ka Japanese. Kasi mukha ka talagang Japanese, pati yung mga mannerisms mo, Japanese. Moderator, can I apply po? Hindi ko po kasi sure kung paano yung system. Sorry, I'm not good at this kind of stuff. Pero, I will ask. Sige, I will keep you in mind, Nesnew. I will keep you in mind. Don't worry. Si Renee is heart ba? Ikaw po ba si Minari dati? Click my name, then 3 dot add moderator. Oh, okay. Pwede ba yun? Sige. By the way, saan ka sa Metro Manila? Lo, dinadox nyo ako eh. I'm everywhere. I'm in your walls. That is a threat. That is a threat. I'm in your walls. She's in Antarctica po. Natural habitat ng penguins ata. Ano yung term na yun? Yung docks? Are you half? No. Omnipresent ba yun? Ah! Parang hindi naman omnipresent. Parang kung pinag-uusapan natin yung point of views ha. Yung parang third person point of view. Omniscient. You look Indonesian. Oh, really? Oh. Salamat. Paano yung, paano ulit? Indonesian. Oops. Is it? Ito, sige. Okay. Ito na po. Waiting. Hala. Ah, okay. Click pala. Ito po. Ayan po. Mod ka na. Congratulations. Ayun, nakita ko na. Terima kasih. Ano yung iba? Tama ba? Salamat. Ano to? Salamat can be... ano lang pa siya. Okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Saan po pwede mag-apply? Di ko alam. Basta kailangan laging present sa aking live. Yun lang ang aking requirement. Present po sa live lagi. Kasi baka may mambuli sa akin. Wag niyo naman kami ibuli, guys. Hello po, Demi. Hi, JM. Hirap no kay Angel Butterfly. Hello po. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Bye, ladies. Nasa klase pa ako, na-posted ko lang phone ko. Hoy! Don't worry, pag binash ka nila, i-bash ko din sila literal nga lang. Eme na eme. Realize. Sinong pinaka-cute sa MNL48? Ako. Joke lang. Kaming lahat. Kaming lahat, guys. Kaming lahat. Yung DP ko po ay si Renee po pala. Paano mo na yung cute? Nakita niyo na ba yung TikTok ko? Nag-post ako ng video. Para pam. Sino pinakamaliit sa 5th gen? Lahat kami matatangkad. Miss you din po. Miss you din, guys. Thank you sa heart. Sun. Na ang profile picture ay si Mickey Mouse. Labo to si HR dito. Wala dito. Oy, grabe naman yan sa 3 shoebox stall. Pwede naman. Yun, basta yung shoebox, pare-parehas. 4 feet. Apakalaki naman sapatos. Ate, ano opinion mo sa mga Hume students? You are very humanities and social sciences oriented. Charot. Ano lang, I think you guys are cool. Ako kasi, I graduated as STEM student. Pero, yeah, I think you guys are cool. You guys are nice. Especially yung mga parang naging friends ko dati na Humes. Mga mababait kayo. Aray ko. Sakat na ng tema ko. Yes naman, STEM. She's a science girly. Women in STEM. Women in STEM. I love women in STEM. Explain your course to the chat po uli, madam. Magkakaroon rin ba ng checky sessions with other MNL48 girlies soon? I think so. Siyempre naman. Magkakaroon yan, guys. Just wait for official's announcement. Or if may sasabihin po si aming very, very magandang General Manager, Miss Abby. Explain your course to the chat uli po, madam. So, are you guys familiar with occupational therapy? So, sana mag-create yung checking ko po with you. Hala, ano yan? Which one? Alin? Which one? Alin? Daming nagpapacheck ko. So, hindi ko na matandaan kung alin-alin. Tsaka ang dami din. Di po. So, ang occupational therapy po, it's not like physical therapy. Pacheck tayo kay Boss Abby. Sana nga eh. Gusto ko din, guys. So, occupational therapy is not at all like physical therapy. Kasi in physical therapy, they only rehabilitate your body. So, it's focused on, it's in the name, on the physical aspect of the person. Whereas in occupational therapy, we take into account everything. So, kung anong nararamdaman mo that day, kung ano yung goals mo, like sa buhay, ganun, like anong gusto mong makuha through occupational therapy, we take those into account. And then we help you function as independently as possible. Yes po, kasama po ang mental health sa occupational therapy. We don't have a specific sort of clientele. We have a lot of people, whether whether mga elderly na or kahit mga babies pa, you guys can come to OT for anything that you need. Pero usually kasi kapag mental health, usually you're referred to us pag ng doktor. Pag ni-refer kayo sa amin ng doktor. Usually kasi ganun. You don't go to occupational therapy agad-agad. Kailangan may referral po kayo ng doctor before kayo magpa-occupational therapy. Ayun. So, we help, in most cases kasi, we help with those sa mga, alam niyo mga nasa-stroke. Usually kasi yung iba, pag nasa-stroke, gumaganyan yung kamay nila, 'di ba? So, ang ginagawa namin, tinatry namin, ibobo kayo, tumunog. Kailangan ibobo ka namin yung hand, and then, we ask the patient to put their hand like down here sa side nila, so they can put weight on it. Para naka-stretch lang siyang ganyan. Para magamit mo yung hand mo. Kasi imaginein mo kung na-stroke kayo and your hand got stuck in this position. Siyempre, di mo magagamit yung hand mo. Ayun. Anong difference niya sa PT, Renee? Like, for example, sa stroke patient. So, sa PT po, they usually do exercises. They focus on strengthening yung body part na kuwari kung saan ka affected. So, let's say that you are hemiplegic, or when you say that you are hemiplegic, one of the sides of your body is weaker than the other. It's either weaker or flaccid. Usually kasi kapag flaccid, di mo talaga magalaw. As in, pag binuhat ko yung kamay mong ganyan, babagsak lang siyang ganon. Ganon po ang flaccid. And, ayun. So, for PTs, they usually focus on strengthening the body part. Ay, thank you, Matt. Bye-bye. See you later, Matt. Ayun, so they focus on strengthening the body part. Whereas in OT, we focus on making the body part functional. So, hindi po kami separate. We usually work together with other fields. So, OTs and PTs can work together. So, kung ano pong ginawa nila sa PT, sa physical therapist nila, i-report siya sa amin, sa mga occupational therapists. And then, we will continue to try to do those exercises. Pero kami, magpa-provide naman kami ng mga purposeful activities para ma-motivate yung client to using their body part. Ayun. Parang ganun. Intellectual difficulties or disorders sa OT rin, meron po kami. Usually, in pediatric cases. So, we handle a lot of patients. Thank you, Emmanuel. Ang pinaka-common pong nabibigay sa amin in OT are those who are on the spectrum, which is the autism. You know, when you have ASD, autism spectrum disorder. So, there's a lot of levels pag ASD. And yun talaga po ang pinaka-common na nakikita namin sa clinics, in clinical settings, is mga children who have ASD. Ayun. So, usually, it differs talaga. It differs from case to case kasi talagang pagbata, alam niyo ba, nahihirapan talaga ako sa pagbata. I like kids. Kids are fun. They're very fun to be with. However, ayun. Yeah, ang daming overlapping sa mga jobs. Kaya nga, gino-joke sa amin ng mga professor namin na OTs are truly the jack of all trades. Na pag graduate ka ng OT, pwede ka kahit saan. Kahit may lisensya ka ng OT, pwede ka maging teacher, pwede ka maging kung ano-ano man. Yeah, so ganun talaga. Marami talagang sakop ang OT. Yeah. Parang ganun. So, yung mga intellectual disabilities naman, they differ. It's either you have a specific learning disorder or SLD, or meron ka talagang intellectual disability or ID. And there are levels to that as well. So, I used to have when I was doing my field work, in my last year, while I was doing my field work, napunta po sa akin is an 11-year-old female with ASD, and meron na din siyang slight intellectual disability. Dyscalculia is a specific type of parang something sa praxis. When you say, not really praxis, kasi praxis is motor planning. Pero dyscalculia kasi, yan yung nahihirapan po kayo mag-math. Or it's really something na, ano tawag dito? You have, something with numbers. Nag-meet kayo ni Claire, parehas kayong nursing student. Hindi pa po. And I'm not nursing, guys. I am an occupational therapist. Bakit? OT po ba kayo, Lorcan? OT po ba kayo? Prof ko ba kayo? Hala, baka prof ko pala to. I see. Ayun. What else? Ano pa ba? Thank you, Mr. Donuts. Donuts? What do you enjoy most sa OT? Naglalaro. Kung pwede ko lang i-share yung mga video ko na nasa You look like Yuika from Saisho Mirai Shoujo. Totoo ba? Thank you. Hala, ano to? May lumabas. Arigato. I also like Saisho Mirai Shoujo. Kimi no koto aishichatta kamoshiranai desu. Tama, di ba? Hala, ano to? Pinapa-verify ako. We have detected inactivity. Kanina pa ako nag-iyak dito. Pwede wag. Okay na, guys. Hindi na daw siya magla-live. Yeah. IC chat to. Sa ano daw? Inactive daw yung live stream. Papa-verify daw. Ayan na si Papa G Sauce. Ayun. Boss. Libre consultation na sa live. Hala, hindi po. Wala pa ako lisensya. Di ba ako doktor? Wag po. Sa board nyo ba, ano din mga subject sa BE? Wala, hindi ko po alam. Iba po yung sa amin eh. Ilang taon ka na ang bata mo tingnan? Hindi po. Di ako magdo-doctor, guys. Maggaan na lang ako. Hindi ako nursing student. Occupational therapist. OT. Hi, Matcha. Pag-uasala ko diyan. Wag sa akin. Di ko alam yan. Ibang documentation sa ginagawa ko eh. Iba yan eh. Ba't naman. Pag nagpa-DNR ka, idodonate mo din ba ang iyong organs? Di ba may ganun? Pero sa OT course, ano rin major subjects dyan. So, hello! Thank you. Di na ata donate ako rin sa akin. Bakit naman? Thank you for the 10 roses, Arman. Ayun. Ano yung tanong niya? Sorry. Major subjects. So, we have Anakines, which is anatomy and kinesiology. Understanding occupations. We also have development of human occupations. Kinakaya mo pa naman, no? Hindi ka pa tatagos ng pader. Di naman. Sakto pa. Carry pa. Di pa ako tumatagos ng pader eh. Ano lang. Tinatry kong tumagos. Nababagok lang yung ulo ko. Char lang. Pwede pa ba mag-apply na admin? Pwede naman Pwede. Patingin resume. Char. Joke lang. Sino ba usap natin Di ko rin alam eh. Kausap ko lang sarili. Saan HR ng Penguinatics? Wala po. Ano lang. Kagaya lang ako ng Kagaya lang talaga ako nung dati. From my indie idol days na ako lang gumagawa ng lahat. Sarap ng pasopa sa office. Hala! Sarap naman. Mahilig din ako sa sabaw. I also like sopas. Chicken ba? Chicken sopas. Favorite pasta? I would have to say I went to a small cafe when I was having my birthday. Sakit sa mouth ng sopas. Ouch. Init. Maybe a truffle bacon pasta. I like truffle bacon pasta. Thank you for the roses, Arman. Thank you. And thank you for the chicken. Kim. Parang once lang kita napanood live nung labs ako. Ito ba? Alio olio is good. Alio olio is good. Ay, ganap ka pala sa weekend. Meron? No. Meron yata. Umalis na din kasi ako Manila tapos na business work. Alam. Hi po. Okay lang po mag-ask po sa inyo ng question. How to calm down when you're feeling triggered with words? Okay. So, ganito lang yan, guys. As an OT, we also teach, mostly children, pero in adults na din. Pero ang ginagawa kasi namin for kids, usually, pag pinapakalma namin, we ask them to count. Like, take a deep breath through the mouth, like, then count 1 to 10, and then exhale through your nose. And then ulit-ulit hanggang sa you feel that you calm down. And then you also you reflect on what had happened. Iisipin mo, does this bother me? Why does it bother me? Should I be bothered by it? Parang ganun. And then, ayun, usually kumakalma naman na. Ginawa ko siya kasi sumapasip po mag-exhale. Inom kayong water, guys, ha? Ang flu ngayon. Sikat. Sikat na sikat ang flu right now. Ayun. Ano, kasi mainit na sabaw. You still in college? Yes, I am in college. Pero gusto ko din yung sinabi ni, ni Yes Yes. Sipin mo, kakarmahin din yung nagsabi. Therapy. Yeah. Meta ba? Oo, meta siya ngayon, guys. Meta. Hi! Hello po sa mga nagjo-join. Hi, everyone! Paano kapag stressed? Anong dapat gawin? Nasa sa'yo na yan, idol eh. Ano ba ang gusto mong gawin? Ano ba ang iyong hobbies? Ano ba ang mga nagpapasaya sa iyo? Hi! Hi, Zizi! Zai. Ayoko ng therapy. Gusto ko therapy. For real. Ako din. Habi ko mag-sky jump. Eh di ayun, mag-flap ka ng lib. Tapos skydiving. Na may parachute ha. May parachute. Kailangan may parachute. What inspired you to be an idol? When I was younger, I looked up to my mom a lot because my mom is also a singer. And I got her to, ang tawag. Ano yan? Oh, thank you, Vida. I love you. We the best. You the best. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city. Oh, I'm looking up to you today. Love you. I love you, Vida. I love you. Ay, pupunta ka MCR ko. I want to. I so badly want to. I love MCR, guys. Like, hi, Riri. That's my Riri. Oh. Mike M. learns to rock. Awitin nyo naman. Mike M. learns to rock. Guys, gusto ko 1975. Oh, and I think about you, and now I can't remember. It's the same thing, and now my heart surrender. O kaya, don't want your body, but I hate to see your body with somebody else. And our love is gone cold, you're intertwining your soul with somebody else. Marami pa akong ganitong headband, guys. Sige, papahiram. Yeah, you guys, papahiram ko kayo ng mga ano-ano if you want. I have these. I have so much stuff. Ito, lahat sila. Baka di ka na makabalik. Yeah, the 1975. Thank you, Zai, Zizi, however you say your name. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi. Hello, people. Ayun. Ano pa ba? What else? Ay, dumaan pala ako sa ating favorite store. Kung nandito pa si Wida and si Riri. Napadaan ako sa ating favorite store kasi lumabas ako. And, alam niyo yung nangyari sa akin yung tester. Yung kunento sa akin ni Wida sa backstage. Nangyari sa akin yung tester. Nung pinaspray ko siyang ganyan, talagang gumanon siya and it went all over the floor. Nakakaya. Alam mo yun, nakatayo lang ako doon. Tapos kuwari ito, hawak ko yung tester. Tapos gumanon siya. Talagang nakaganon lang ako. Nakahawak lang akong ganyan. Sabi ko, what the heck? Bigla siyang lumabas na ganon. I got myself, some stickers. Ito, you guys wanna see? I got stickers. I got this. I got this. I got stickers. Yan. Ito. Ito. I'll do this. I'll open it for you guys. Ngayon ko lang siya binuksan. Pero ganyan siya. They have this background thing. Ito. They have this background thingy. And then you put the stickers on them. Ayan. Diba? Lumikat lang kami ni Ate Wido sa members na nagla-live right now. Hihi. Thank you. Thank you. At you stopped by sa amin. Thank you. Sa akin. Sa amin. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mga spectators kayo today. Magla-live ba kayo later? Or no? Sabihan niyo lang ako pag magla-live kayo. It's either let's do a group live or we rest day kayo today. Okay. Have a nice rest, girls. Treat yourselves, ha? Treat yourselves. Love you. Hello po, Miss Abby. Hi again. Hi. Ayun. Yeah. Gusto niyo ba, guys? Gagawin ko na to. Kaso parang ang hirap nyo kasi gawin on camera. Syempre, hindi nyo makikita. Pang VK ako. Okay lang yan. VK. Ano ba may mga alam ba kayong VK bands, guys? Can you recommend me any VK bands that I can listen to? Kasi ako din, I'm looking to expand my music taste, even though I listen to almost everything. Ayun. Kanina nga lang nakikinig ako ng classical music and all that. Like, Mozart and stuff. Kanina, habang nag-aayos ako for the live, kikinig ako ng Mozart. Ito. So, ganito siya, guys. Like this one. I have to make it like this. Like this turns into this. Sorry, di nyo pala nakikita. Dahil sa ito to. Ganito siya. Yan. Magiging ganito siya dapat. Halo-halo music taste ko, ate. Yeah, same here. I like anything and everything. As long as okay siya. But, Honeyworks, nakikinig ka. Kanawa no koi oshichaimashita. Laishu mo mata aeru kana. Honeyworks, yes na yes, because one of my favorite idol groups is Takane no Nadeshiko. And ang producer nila, yes! Diba? Takane ko! Ang osi ko si Momona. Momona ang aking oshi. I love Momona so much. Momona Matsumoto. Alam, may CD ka! Sana all may CD. Sana all may CD. Anong CD yan? Anong album? Ang favorite ko from Takaneko na song, Sara Sara Honki na Shitao. I'm your idol! Wow! Isa yan sa mga latest nila eh. Oh, Sachan! Ako, Momona. Momona talaga. Momona Matsumoto. My OC. Ang cute naman nito. Ang cute niya, guys, oh. Ang cute ng stickers. Let's do this. Sige, habang wala akong ginagawa, let me get my tweezers. Oh, thank you po. Meron pa akong cookie. Ayan, oh. Chicharon. Cookie and Timmy. Chicharon. Yan. Kunin ko lang yung aking tweezers. Chicharon. Ito. Ito yung eyelash tweezers ko, guys, pero ayan. Kung makikinig kayo ng Takane no Nadeshiko, I recommend the songs Utsukushi Utsukushiku iro? Ano siya eh? Ten ni mukaate masuku ni na 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 sukushi hana wa takane no nadeshiko. What did you have for lunch today? I had adobong pork. Pero po kayo no si Tata. Walo. Sorry. Hello, J-Rick. Thank you for the wizard hat. Thank you for the heart. Thank you, thank you. Hello, Rieri. Tapos, isa pang, sorry, maybe I'm not allowed to show pointy objects on stream. Sinong bias mo sa Espa? Ningning. My Ning Yidzwo. My meme queen. Diba ganun si Ningning? Please don't screenshot. Wag! Wag. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. It just sunk in. Stop! Sino bang bias sa BTS? Si ano? So are you ready? You let me. I wanna see emotion in 3D. Si ano? Isang linggong pag-ibig. Utsukushiku iro. Tsaka, ano pa, sa Takaneko. Kawaii te iwaretai. Kawaii te iwaretai. Iine komento fuemasu you ni. Toruku datte homeraretai. Watashi onna nako da mon. Cortez, ask again. Go, 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 go. I just gotta get, watch me go. Eyelet bias. Ang hirap kasi mamili sa eyelet eh. Pero, leaning towards Iroha. Go challenge post na basun. Pwede. Sino mong oshi mo sa AKB48? I know Ado, yes, use wa, na 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 na, yeah, this, isai dasai, yona. AKB48, si Sashi po. Sashiri no Hara-san. Pwede naman. Ado, pero ang favorite song ko kay Ado is na 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 na, ready for my show. Thank you for the rosa. Yes, I know EXO. Careless, shoot anonymous, heartless, manless, no one who care about me. Ang bias ko po sa EXO, si Baekhyun, o kaya si D.O. Stray Kids, ito. Ayan na. Ito agad, may sagot agad. Lino, Hyunjin. Dance Racha line ako. Dance Racha line. Pero, ang ult ko is si Hyunjin. And then, Lenor. True. Pogi na lang. Bike yun ang chan yun. Chan bike ka eh. Hello, Pingminatics Official. Di na ako galit sa inyo. Di na ako nagtatampo. Tanggap ko na. Eme. Okay. Thank you sa chicken. 3 chicken. Wait lang. Nagkakabit na ako ng ano dito. Stickers. Ito ba? Favorite song ng EXO? Sa bago, Don't Fight the Feeling. Don't fight the feeling. 내 맘대로 가, don't fight the feeling. 내 멈춰지는 말, don't fight the feeling. Yeah. Don't fight the feeling, yeah. Tapos, sa luma, marami kasi sila maganda sa luma eh. Yung mga, maganda din po yung bago nila, cream soda. Hulaan ko favorite espresso. Shimmy, shimmy, coco pop. I think I like it. Dreams come true. Actually, ang favorite espresso song ko is Supernova. Sa ganun tagawa, eh. Kisike, kachika, eh. It's the love shot. Na 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 na. Whoa, it's the love shot. Ano pa ba? So that's on the third shelf. That's the third shelf. Sorry, kinakabit ko yung stickers, guys. Ito, dito pa rin ang aking progress. Sinong bias mo sa new jeans? Si Daniel po. New hair, new tea, new jeans, do you see? Ayan. Hello, thank you for following me. Shiny po, maganda istan. Yes! Ang aking bias po talaga sa Shiny is si Jonghyun. May he rest in peace. May he rest in peace. Ang favorite ko sa Shiny, 달빛 타올라 나나나나나 데리러 가 반짝 놀라 감작 놀라 나나나나나 데리러 가 Her whisper is the Lucifer 이 Lucifer 나는 좋다는 사람을 웃긴 채 이해는 웃긴 채 Sige lang po. 사는 들어는 게 자유롭게 나는 나끔 바라봐 나는 너를 재울게 너는 너를 재울게 Loveaholic, Robotronic Ano pa ba? Nanahimik bigla. Emmy. Sorry guys, ginagawa ko kasi to. Pero sige. I will try my best to answer each and every one of you. Magandang pampakalma. Yung replay din po maganda. 누나 너무 예뻐 미쳐 Replay, replay, replay 나나나나나 Move on Replay, replay, replay Saan to? Okay. Doon lang din pala. I was thinking. Hindi siya tapat. Tapat pala siya. Tadaan! NMIX, yes! NMIX. Alam niyo ba, nung lumabas yung Yung or yung OO, a lot of people hated it, but I loved it. I loved OO. Tunoniga na 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 oo. Watcha pala pala pala. Watcha hanahan nice. Watcha pala pala pala. Watcha hanahan nice. Na 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 eye drops. Bias ko pa si Onyu, ganda na bukas niya. That is true. That is true. Shiny Kings, Vocal Kings, Slay. Actually, lahat naman. Dash, I wanna dash, I wanna dash, I wanna dash, I wanna... Kukura na si? Sige, I will learn that. May mga naka-line up na ako, guys. May nag-request sa akin ng Bocchi songs. I will learn those songs. Nanood ba kayong Bocchi the Rock? Kilala niyo ba si Botchers? Si Bocchi. Modes the rock. And don't call me, don't call me, don't call me, don't call me. Are you okay, Marius? are you okay? What is going on? Are you okay? Kumakanta ka ba? I don't know if this is a song. Were you part of Fansa? Sige. Kakover ko din. Suki ni natte motto watashi to mite motto kankaere na. Were you part of any indie idol group dito sa PH? Yes, I was part of Idol Soza's second generation, and I was one of the members of Radiant. Kamakam si Sheki ng Aspirant Days. Hala! Thank you po. Thank you. Ganda-ganda ni Ate Sheki. It's such an honor to be called kamukha ni Ate Sheki. Pentagon! No na 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 kamaka ni na 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 nasarang na na nanjijiri. Real. Sorry, hindi ko na ano yung Pentagon nung umalis na si Idon eh. Si Idon kasi yung bias ko sa Pentagon. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako nung nag-resurface si Idon. Nakikita niyo ba yan sa TikTok? Yung mga, ano dyan, K-poppers. Ayun. Do you perhaps know Project Sakai? Yes! Yes. I do or do not. Welcome to 48C. Thank you. It's been a long time coming. Thank you. I love Project Sakai because I love Vocaloid. My favorite Vocaloid. How did Yumi react to you getting in MNL? She was very happy. Bias ko po si Kino sa Pentagon. Ooh, si Kino! Ooh, I see. I see you. Si Kino. Very cool. Tapos, this one. Hi! Hello po sa mga nag-join. Hi! Make it shine, 데리러 가. 아이콘 din po. 사랑을 했다, 우리가 만나, 지우지 못해 좋아하기도 했다. Thank you for the crystal roses. 볼만한 melodrama. Hello, Deandra. Hi. 볼만한 melodrama. 우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 주면 네가 지고 마지막 페이지를 넘기면 조용히 먼 내리죠. 에이 괜찮지 나 말한 건 아프긴 나나나나나나나나나나나 이렇게 살면 나나나나나나 내게 사랑하면서 Thank you for loving my voice. Hello. Yellow. Yowane ako kung Vocaloid. Si Yowane. Haku? Si Haku? I have not heard of Haku in a while. Like, wow. I'm that old. Vocaloid is that long ago. Who's my favorite Vocaloid? My favorite Vocaloid are the Kagamines. Bye-bye, Richie. Thank you. 17. Ang aking bias sa 17 ay si S-Coops. Do you know Wave to Earth? Yes. 사람 사이 사람 바람 사이 바람 감정에 너무 다시 돼요. 숭관, ako S-Coops. 뭐야 어떡해 뭐야 어떡해 아주 nice. 따라따라따라따라 아주 nice. 깨워 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 오 nice. 아 요하네. I'm sorry guys, but like this one person is like spamming. I don't know if you guys can see. Is it okay if they keep spamming like this? I'm not sure, guys. What do we do? Hi. I know you like them scented candles. I don't know. Maybe a little bit. Why not? If it smells good, why not? Maganda din po yung ano. You make me feel so high. 미치겠어. 날 잘 숨 없어. 랜덤뿐인 아리가또 랜덤뿐인. Eunice. Unfortunately, I haven't had the time to listen to Eunice because I was more focused on Eyelet. The night circulation. 嘘なんじゃダメ、嘘なんじゃほら、心が進化するよ、もっともっと。パンパンパランパラン、パンパンパランパラン、パンパンパラン、パンパンパラン、パンパランパンパンパン。Ay, wala ka pa mods para sa ganyang spam. Wala po. Sinesniff pa lang po ang aking mood. Thank you for liking the live. Yung twice ate, lalo na yung what is love. Philippine circulation, di pa. Thank you, Meiji, for reposting. I wanna know. 사랑이 어떤 느낌인지 하루 종일 읽고 있었는데 세상이 다른 것 같았는데 I wanna know. 사랑이 어떤 느낌인지 위로가. Ala, baka kung ano-ano yan na. Who's your Eyelet bias? Si ano po, si Iroha. Yeah guys, apply na kayo for mod. Baka kung ano-ano to ha. Eme kayo. Sino po ba isa sa twice? Si Momo. Si Momo po. Mod mo na dapat si Penguinatics Official. Oo nga, nasaan ka na? Moshi-moshi ng Eunice. Okay, I will in a bit. Ito na. Penguinatics, ikaw na ay mod. Gusto mo ba maging mod do? Gusto niyo po? Oh, pass. Okay po. Hello. Sige, wag na daw. Ayaw niya daw. Sige, ito na. Papakinggan ko na, guys. Philippine circulation.
でもそんなんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら 心は進化するよもっともっと
Kanta lang ba yun? Grabe ang baba pala nito. Nakakalenda din pala si Will. Oopsie. Ano perks kapag mod? Hindi ko din alam eh. Ano yung sinasabi nyo kanina? Eunice. Moshi Moshi. Moshi Moshi. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Si Koto ko bang ano dito?
もしもし聞こえてますか知らんぷり恋のゴールド絶対好きじゃ負けない世界で一番大好きもし今回がのヒロインなら片思いくらいでやまない照れない泣かないモブじゃいられないライバルは全くないって友達
Ah! Kaya pala familiar yung tugtog kasi Honeyworks yung prod.
恋の力で可愛くなるから好きになれもしもし聞こえてますか知らんぷり恋のゴールド絶対好きじゃ負けない
Ano gagawin ng mods? Whatever you do on Twitch, you do here. Pero guys, ito talaga. Ito ang favorite ko. Takaneko. Search natin. Takane. Kane. No. Nadeshiko. Tapos, ano? Motechen. Motechen yung... Ito. Ito yung favorite kong song sa Takaneko. May bias ka sa Eunice. Walo. Pero baka si Alicia. Ah, mali pala. Similar kasi. Si Momona. Momona. Tapos ang Yoshi ko dito si Sue. Baka nasa Discord ka ta kanina. Wala po. May Discord pala sila? Nalilita ka sa mga bawa. Ay, sa Fruit Zipper nga, ano eh, Matsumoto Karin. Tapos, si Momona. Matsumoto Momona. Pero, ito guys, suggestion ko din, Sweet Steady. Tapos, maganda yung Pajama Party. Pajama Party, yay! Pakinggan nyo guys, ganda. Ito. Momihime. Osiete? Iya? Osinomaho. Bakit Osinomaho? Ano na lang? Yung sa iLife? Uy, Jakuso, Taiga, Faya, Saiba, ja, ja. I life na lang yung sabi de hurikop, medyo hurikop, I life. Ano yun? Idol life started back. Title callで叫び出し。あった同じポーズ飛び勝ち。4本つけ、ガス飛び除去。じゃじゃ、バイバー、バイバー。Are you gonna draw me? Thank you. Can you tag me once you're done? Can you tag me once you're done? I wanna see. Wow. Thank you. Ano yun? Idol Life Starter Pack. Si Ice. Ito na guys, favorite. Oremo! Hi, Seno. Ay. Dati ko maganda ka mag-smile. Uy, ay, Chay, Kizor, Tora, Hi, Jinzo, Seni, Jasper. Na dapat yata mag-host ako ng Pokemon Pan, Fresh, Bureto, ito pan, Matsutaka ko, Pan Matsuri. Tamaranay! Oremo! Seno? Hi, Seno? Oy! Hanggang sino mawalang account. Kotoga arun da yo. Yappari yomae ga kawaii yo. Suki daisuki, yappa suki. Yatto mitsuketa ohime-sama. Hanggang dun lang alam ko dun. Alam ko mas mahaba pa to. Isang de ichiban aishiteru. Meron pa simple dun, oh. Mamaya din live ni Mirai. Tapos kaya lang nagkakaintindihan. Pwede naman. Mag-live kami ni Ate Mirai. Magpapaalam lang ako sa kanya. Baka kasi gusto niya mag-solo live. Give her some love muna. I think this is gonna be her first live. Baka I will ask her na next time mag-live kaming dalawa. Pa-request next ha. Alin po? Yung Oshi no Mirai? Ay, Oshi no Maho. Sorry. Oshi no Maho. Sige. Wow. Uy. Sige. Thank you po sa heart. Energo. Maganda din yung kung kilala niyo yung festive. Maganda din oidemase. I think basic yung oidemase sa chance. Ice cream po ate. Sige, mamaya. Ice cream. Cream. Ito ba? Oy, oy, oy. Dyan. Oo nga. Takaneko. Ito na. Sorry na. Ganda ni Momo, no? Oidemase. Oo, oidemase. Alam niyo ba, gasgas ang oidemase sa Radiant? Lip sa Oshinomawo. Ako, di ba may Monday's Melancholy din ng Takaneko? Gusto ko yun sa Takaneko. Pero gusto ko din yung kay dapat yata ako. Hello, Ate Ira. Eri, Saikuzo. Just there. May tanong daw sila sa'yo, Ate Iro. Na-complete ko na guys yung ito. Na-complete ko na yung isang bookshelf. Yay! Ay, hindi pa pala. Meron pa pala to sa taas. Nani? Thank you, Aiden. Oo nga eh. Sige. Papromote ka to. Lalagay ko sa story ko. Rabuchuchu. Hindi. Sige. Mag-ano ako next time. Magla-live ako tapos tayo. We're gonna talk about 48G, J-pop, and yung mga chineme roots. Mga parang nuances. Tama ba? Nuances, norms, whatever. Para lahat. Sige. Oh, sige. Sige, ito. Mag-ano tayo, flashback tayo.